Hi, welcome to our VB Developing channel, hope everyone is well. Today we will discuss Python Chapter 2, Operators. Today we will discuss about relational operator. So let's get started. Last day we discussed arithmetic operations. Those who are watching today's video for the first time, they must watch the previous video. Click on I button above to get the video. Okay, let's get started. First we will create a new file as usual. Here we will write the file name. Well, first let's talk about the comparison operator. Relational operators are used for comparing the values. It either returns true or false according to the condition. These operators are also known as comparison operators. For example, greater than is true if the left operand is greater than the right. Similarly, less than is true if the left operand is less than the right. And equal to is true if both operands are equal. And not equal to is true if operands are not equal. And greater than or equal to is true if left operand is greater than, or equal to the right. And similarly, less than or equal to is true if left operand is less than or equal to the right. Let's look at this matter practically. First we will use the greater than operator. Sorry, here we will first declare two variables. Okay, we will try using the print function here. We know here that A is greater than B, so our output will be true. Let's execute and see what happens. Alright, as you can see here our output is true as usually. Now we will use the less than operator. Here we know, A is not less than B. So our condition will be false. As you can see here, we got output is false. Now we will use equal to operator. As usually we know here, A not equal to B, because 9 not equal to 3. So our result will be false. Here you can see. We got our desired output. Now we will use not equal to operator. Similarly we know here, A not equal to B, because 9 not equal to 3. So, as usually our output will be true. As you can see here, our output is true. Now, we will use greater than or equal to operator. Basically two conditions are used here. First is greater than and second is equal to. Here is the rule. If the first condition is true, then the second condition will not go. If the first condition is false, then the second condition will be checked. That means, it provides the output based on the condition. Since our first condition is returning true, we will get true as output. As you can see here, our output is true. Now, we will use less than equal to operator. Just like before, here too, the first condition is true, so our output is false. So, we are not executing it, you execute it and let us know in comments. Now we will try to understand these two operators a little more. We are commenting the rest. Let's see here, now our output is true. Now I am setting the value of a to 2. And here you can see our output is false. Now we will change the value of a to 9 as before. And run the second program. Since the first condition is less than here, our output will be false. Now we will change the value of a to 1. Since the first condition is less than here, our output will be true. As you can see here, our output is true. Now we change value of variable a once again. Now we get true as output. Because the second condition checked and got true, after the first condition was false, so our output is true. If we notice here, we will understand why our output is true. Here you can see that two conditions are true. Now here you can see, both of our conditions are false, because in no case a not equal to b, or a not less than b, so the output is false. So, guys, that's the end of our video. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. Thank you. See you in the next video. Be well.